Have you ever wondered how you can give your kidneys a refreshing boost naturally? Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering out waste products from our blood, maintaining fluid balance, and regulating blood pressure. But sometimes, our kidneys can get overloaded due to a poor diet, dehydration, and exposure to environmental toxins. But don't worry, because today, we'll tell you about 9 fruits that'll help cleanse your kidneys fast. Without any further delay, let's begin. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Number 1, cranberries. Cranberries contain certain compounds called proanthocyanidins that have powerful antibacterial properties. They help our body fight different types of bacteria, particularly E. coli, and prevent it from adhering to the walls of our urinary tract and kidneys. This can significantly reduce the risk of developing urinary tract infections and promote overall kidney health by keeping harmful bacteria at bay. Cranberries contribute to the overall cleansing process of our kidneys. In addition to their antibacterial properties, cranberries are also a great source of many antioxidants, especially quercetin, vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E. These nutrients play a crucial role in our body by neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage our cells, including the ones in our kidneys. But that's not all. Cranberries are also diuretic in nature, which means they can increase your urine production. This increased urine flow can facilitate the elimination of waste products and toxins from the kidneys, making it even more desirable to cleanse your kidneys. Number 2, blueberries. Like cranberries, blueberries also have natural diuretic properties. They can increase urine production and facilitate the elimination of waste and toxins from your body. Moreover, blueberries contain certain substances called polyphenols. Polyphenols have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects on the body. Inflammation can be very bad for kidney function, so by reducing inflammation, blueberries help protect the kidneys and maintain their optimal functioning. Another amazing health benefit of blueberries is their low potassium content. It is crucial to keep potassium levels in check, especially if you already have kidney problems or reduced kidney function. Blueberries can be a great addition to your diet as they have low potassium levels and offer a bundle of many essential nutrients without overwhelming your kidneys. Number 3, apples. These juicy fruits contain approximately 85% water, making them an excellent choice for increasing your fluid intake. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial to keep your kidneys healthy. Water naturally helps to flush out toxins and waste products from your body. Additionally, apples are rich in many essential vitamins and minerals that can contribute to your overall kidney health. One important component is potassium. While too much potassium can be harmful to kidneys, a moderate amount can actually promote kidney health. One medium-sized apple contains just around 5% of the potassium of your average daily needs. This can help you have more balanced blood pressure and maintain optimal kidney function. Moreover, apples are a fantastic source of dietary fiber. Fiber acts as a natural cleanser for your body, including your kidneys. It aids in the removal of waste products and prevents the formation of kidney stones. So, eating an apple a day can help you cleanse your kidneys fast. Number 4, cherries. If you want to promote your overall kidney health, cherries are a must-have fruit. They are natural diuretics, and this effect helps flush toxins and waste products from the kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently. Additionally, cherries are also rich in many antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, catechins, and flavonoids. These powerful compounds help protect your kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Plus, they also have anti-inflammatory properties. So, by reducing inflammation, cherries can help relieve your burdened kidneys and support their overall performance. Lastly, their potassium content helps your body have balanced fluid levels, electrolyte levels, and blood pressure, all of which are essential for healthy kidneys. Number 5, strawberries. They are not just delicious, but also full of benefits regarding kidney health. They are a rich source of antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin C. These powerful compounds help protect our kidneys from oxidative stress caused by harmful free radicals. Plus, they are natural diuretics, helping you pee more and cleansing your kidneys fast. Vitamin C in strawberries also helps strengthen your immune system and promotes collagen production, which in turn supports the structure and function of the kidneys. Interestingly, strawberries have a unique aspect that sets them apart from other fruits. They contain ellagic acid, a natural compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This compound can act as a shield for your kidneys against inflammation and many kidney diseases. Number 6. Pineapple. With their juicy tanginess and yellow flesh, pineapples contain several nutrients that help to cleanse our kidneys. One of their unique aspects is the presence of bromelain, an enzyme with potent anti-inflammatory properties. This enzyme helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys, promoting their overall health. Furthermore, pineapples are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that can protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and keep your immune system strong. The high water content of pineapples also helps to flush out toxins and maintain optimal hydration, supporting better kidney function. So, to give your kidneys a refreshing cleanse, don't forget to include pineapples in your diet and eat them regularly. Number 7. Watermelon. Watermelon is not only a delicious summertime treat, but also packed with high water content, roughly 92% of its total weight. Our kidneys depend on an ample supply of water to flush out toxins and waste products from our bodies. So, by eating watermelon, we provide our kidneys with a hydrating boost, helping them carry out their vital cleansing process with ease. Additionally, watermelon has a unique nutrient called citrulline. Citrulline can stimulate the production of arginine, which helps our blood vessels relax and dilate, promoting smooth blood flow to our kidneys. Moreover, watermelon's red flesh contains another kidney-friendly nutrient known as lycopene. This powerful antioxidant not only gives watermelon its vibrant color, but also offers protection against harmful free radicals. So, just enjoy watermelons this summer and give your kidneys a healthy boost to keep them functioning at their best. Number 8. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are packed with many essential nutrients, antioxidants, and natural compounds that can contribute to your overall kidney health. They contain high levels of vitamin C and flavonoids, both of which support a healthy immune system and help prevent kidney infections. Additionally, pomegranates are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, another important factor for kidney function. Being diuretic in nature, they can promote urine production and help flush out toxins, excess salts, and other potentially harmful substances that could be troubling your kidneys. Moreover, pomegranates contain compounds called ellagitannins. These compounds possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation can be harmful to the kidneys as it can cause severe kidney damage and impair their proper functioning. The antioxidants in pomegranates help combat oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and protecting kidney cells from damage, contributing to the overall cleansing process. Consider pomegranates a great choice to help you cleanse your kidneys. Number 9. Papaya. One of the most special ingredients in this delicious fruit is an enzyme called papain. Papain is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Other than papain, papaya also contains many awesome nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, and dietary fiber. Vitamins A and C are known for their antioxidant properties, and folate is quite special and unique in its kidney protective effects, mainly because it acts as a coenzyme in the production of glutathione, another powerful antioxidant. Folate also helps our body metabolize and break down homocysteine. High levels of this amino acid can increase the risk of kidney damage and heart disease. So if you have this delicious fruit in your daily diet, your body stands a better chance against heart disease, kidney disease, and many other health problems. Remember, your kidneys play a significant role in maintaining your overall well-being. so taking care of them is essential. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your own kidney health tips, feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We'll see you in the next video.